In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix invalid token error on Discord. If you're seeing invalid token when you try to sign in, don't worry, this usually comes down to how you're logging in, cache data, or a security reset, and we'll walk through the fixes in order from quickest to most effective. First, make sure you're logging in the normal way. Never use token generators or token login tools. Discord no longer supports token logins and will flag or lock accounts that try to use them. Always sign in with your email and password, scan the QR code from the official app, or sign in through a browser session at discord.com. If that doesn't clear it up, the most effective fix is to clear Discord's cache so it can generate fresh authentication data. On Windows, close Discord completely, including the tray icon. Press Windows key plus R, type %appdata%, hit enter, then delete the Discord folder you see there. Reopen Discord and try again. On macOS, quit Discord, open Finder, click Go, then go to Folder and paste files, library/application support. Find the Discord folder and delete it, then relaunch the app. If you use Discord in a browser, clear cookies and cache specifically for discord.com, restart the browser and log in again. If your token was invalidated by Discord for security reasons, changing your password will force a fresh token. Go to discord.com in a browser, log in, change your password from your account settings, then sign back in on all your devices so everything refreshes. Next, log out everywhere to kick any stale sessions. In Discord, go to User Settings, Open Devices, and choose Log Out All Devices. Restart Discord and sign in again. If login still fails, check whether your account is locked or under review. Look for a security message from Discord in your email inbox and follow any verification prompts you receive in the app or via email to restore access. On Windows, also confirm your system time is correct. An incorrect clock can break authentication. Open Settings, go to Time and Language, turn on Automatic Time Sync, then restart Discord. As a last resort, do a clean reinstall. Uninstall Discord, then remove leftovers by deleting the folders at %localappdata%+discord and %appdata%+discord. Download the latest version from the official site, install it and log in normally. Follow these steps in order and you should be back in without the invalid token error.